Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are breaking down a dramatic and highly revealing moment from the battlefield, where a swarm of Ukrainian drones successfully targets and destroys a Russian armored vehicle, showcasing how modern warfare is being reshaped in real time by technology, coordination, and tactical innovation. This incident is not just about a single vehicle being destroyed. It represents a larger shift in how wars are fought, where relatively inexpensive unmanned systems can challenge and defeat heavily armored machines that once dominated the battlefield. The video footage that emerged from this strike quickly spread across social media and military analysis circles. It captured the attention of experts because it clearly showed multiple drones working together rather than acting alone. At first glance, the armored vehicle appears confident and mobile, moving through terrain that would normally offer some protection. Its thick armor and defensive design suggest it was built to survive artillery fragments, small arms fire, and even nearby explosions. However, the battlefield it entered was no longer dominated by tanks and infantry alone. Above it, unseen at first, a network of Ukrainian drones was already in motion, relaying information and positioning themselves for an attack. The concept of a drone swarm is central to understanding this event. Instead of relying on one drone to identify and strike a target, several drones operate together, each playing a specific role within the attack. Some drones focus on reconnaissance, providing real-time video feeds and precise coordinates. Others carry explosive payloads designed to strike vulnerable points on armored vehicles, such as engine compartments or top armor. As the armored vehicle moved forward, it likely had no immediate warning. Traditional sensors and countermeasures are often designed to detect aircraft or missiles, not small, fast-moving drones flying low and quietly. The first drone in the swarm appears to have acted as a spotter. It maintained distance, observing the vehicle's movement, speed, and direction while transmitting this data back to operators. This real-time surveillance allowed Ukrainian forces to choose the best moment to strike. Timing is critical, especially when targeting armored vehicles that may have escorting infantry or near-by air defense systems. Once the conditions were right, the attack phase began. One drone moved in closer, drawing attention and possibly triggering any defensive fire the vehicle or nearby troops might attempt. Almost simultaneously, additional drones approached from different angles. This multi-directional tactic makes it extremely difficult for crews to respond effectively, as threats appear from above and multiple sides. The armored vehicle's design, like many of its type, is optimized to withstand frontal and side impacts. The top armor, however, is typically thinner, as it was historically less exposed to direct threats. Ukrainian drone operators have learned to exploit this weakness. By approaching from above, they maximize the damage potential of relatively small explosive charges. In the footage, one of the drones can be seen diving rapidly toward the vehicle. This final approach leaves little time for the crew inside to react or escape. The explosion that follows is sudden and devastating. A plume of smoke and fire erupts from the vehicle, indicating that the drone likely struck a critical area, possibly igniting fuel or ammunition. Within moments, the armored vehicle is disabled. Flames continue to burn, and the vehicle's movement stops entirely, confirming a successful strike. What makes this incident particularly significant is not just the destruction itself, but the efficiency with which it was carried out. The cost of the drones involved is a fraction of the cost of the armored vehicle they destroyed. This cost imbalance is one of the most disruptive aspects of drone warfare.